There are reports which show that recruiters spend an average of 6 seconds reviewing your resume. 6 seconds. You heard that right. I know that sounds unbelievable, but really, whether it is 6 seconds or 60 seconds, the point is that you need to ensure that your information jumps off the page and makes an impact. Therefore, your professional experience should be easy to read, easy to scan, and easy to identify the features the reader cares about. A future employer needs to see that your experience demonstrates an ability to do the job that you are applying for. This means the keywords and phrases should be liberally sprinkled throughout your experience. Additionally, the first 2 to 3 bullet points should contain the most important information because it is likely that you have listed more than 3. The later bullets may not be read, at least not initially. So, how do you find these magic words? These are the places to look for. The first is within the job to which you are applying. Take a good look at the job description and ensure that you have actually addressed the job. Start with the required functionality and then move on to the recommended quality. Have you ever looked at a job and thought that you don't need to worry about meeting the duties listed under the recommended or desired section of the job description? Sometimes it might even say nice to have. I mean, it is not required, right? So no big deal. But think about it from this point of view. You are an employer and a nice to have feature is someone who has some event planning experience. You receive 78 resumes and of those 78, 10 resumes have event planning experience. If you are the employer, which resume will you start reviewing first? The job to which you are applying may not always have a job description with much information. And if that is the case, don't let that stop you. Simply find another one. Review other similar jobs or conduct an internet search using the company name and job title. Unless this is a newly created position, you would not be the first person to have this particular job. So it is probable that you might find a prior job posting for the same position listed somewhere else. Nothing ever truly goes away on the internet. While you look for similar job postings, you might find additional information that will give you an edge over other candidates. The next step is to make a list of common terms which are being used in the similar job descriptions. For this, you can use a word cloud generator like the one found at monkeylearn.com. Simply copy-paste job descriptions from one or multiple sources and the website will tell you which words show up the most. When you have this list, make sure to include these words in your resume if they match the skill you possess. So let me ask you, is your resume worthy of more than 6 seconds? If your answer is not a resounding yes, begin by putting these concepts to work for you.